Dear student, today we start the topic of physics. Here, chapter number 10, light, reflection and refraction. You know what is meant by light here? Light is electromagnetic radiation which provides the sensation for vision. Look, that is, light is the electromagnetic radiations which provides sensation for vision, and here vision is only possible in presence of light. For example, there is very dark, then we are unable to see the any object there. But in presence of light, we can easily see the any object, because light is an electromagnetic radiation which provides the sensation for vision, and our vision is possible only in presence of light. Here in this chapter, here we study the two properties of light, that is reflection and refraction. Here we study the reflection by using the mirrors, spherical mirrors is one special topic in this chapter, but refraction, we study the refraction by using the lens, because mirror is a reflecting surface and lens is a refracting surface. You know what is meant by reflection and what is meant by refraction? Firstly, here we study the reflection of light. You know how we study the reflection of light? A reflection of light takes place from the smooth surface. A reflection of light takes place from a reflecting surface. Like look here, and mirror is the reflecting surface. Mirror is the reflecting surface. Mirror is the reflecting surface. Look here, what is in my mirror then? Here we study about the mirror. What is in my mirror here? Mirror is the reflecting surface. For example, there is a transparent glass. Plain transparent glass, here what is in my transparent? When a light rays pass from one side to the other side very easily, that is said to be the transparent medium. If there is a AB is the one transparent glass, and here one side of this transparent glass becomes a rough surface by coating with a rough material, and here one surface becomes a reflecting surface and other surface becomes a rough surface. Look here, that back surface is a rough surface and a front surface is a reflecting surface. When light ray emitted from object and incidence on the mirror, that is called a incidence ray, and same light ray return back to the direction of source, and that is called reflected ray. And there is one normal here, and according to this diagram we can study the laws of reflection here. For example, PQ is said to be the incidence ray, then QR is said to be the reflected ray, and here MQ is the normal. Then that is called a reflection of light. When light incidence and start from or emits from the object and source, and incidence on the surface and when this light ray return back to the direction of source again, and then that is called a reflection of light. Mirror is the reflecting surface, and look here, we study the laws of reflection, laws of reflection. What are the statements of laws of reflection? Here, firstly, that is incidence ray PQ, incidence ray QR, is reflected ray, and MQ is normal. Then how we state the laws? How we state the laws here? Here, that incidence ray, reflected ray, and normal are a part of same plane. They are the part of same plane. Incidence ray, reflected ray, and normal are the parts of same plane, are the part of same plane. Then here, that angle PQM is called an angle of incidence denoted by R, and angle RQM is called an angle of reflection denoted by R. Here, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is called a reflection of light. But in this chapter, here we study the reflection of light from the spherical mirror. Hence, firstly here we study the spherical mirror. There are two types of spherical mirrors. How we study the spherical mirrors here? Reflection of light through the spherical mirrors. Here, spherical mirrors. Look, that is, what is in my spherical mirror? The mirror, or they are said with a curved mirror. Here, that is spherical. There are two types of spherical mirrors. One, that is concave mirror. Second, convex mirror. Concave mirror and convex mirror. For example, there is one sphere of glass, and here a center of this sphere, and if we cut this sphere on a two side and makes a two part here, that is part A and part B. Both are the covered part. Part A in this way, outward curved surface is rough, and in part B, that inward curved surface is rough. Here part A is said to be the concave and part B is said to be the convex. Here then that is both the spherical mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror, both spherical mirrors are the part of a same sphere. Hence they have same center of curvature. These concepts are very important. Just for next topic in this chapter. And then what is the definition of? concave mirror and convex mirror. What is definition here? Concave mirror and convex mirror. Look here, firstly, concave mirror. What is in my concave mirror here? Just in this way, a spherical surface, outward curved surface is rough. Here a center of curvature and inward curved surface is reflecting. That is called concave mirror. Means the spherical mirror in which concave surface is reflecting, called concave mirror. Concave surface is reflecting, called concave mirror. Then what is a convex mirror? What is in my convex mirror? A same way here, that outward curved surface is reflecting and inward surface is curved. In this way here a center of curvature. Means center of curvature of concave mirror is in front of the mirror and center of curvature of convex mirror is to back side of the mirror. Then what is in my convex mirror? The spherical mirror in which convex surface is reflecting, called convex mirror. These are the definitions of concave mirror and convex mirror. And in this chapter, here we study the reflection of light from the concave mirror and also the convex mirror.